Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Today I want to talk about volunteering. I like to volunteer a lot. I've been doing it, for several years now. And, it's something that I really love to do and I'm passionate about. If I volunteered for Feed the Children, Feed My Starving Children, Singleton Moms, Habitat for Humanity, and a list of other organizations. And I want to show you this video that Tami and I recorded about 2 or 3 months ago. We went down to San Antonio and we volunteered at this place called Heavenly Garden. And the overseer's name, Papa Prevo. He's an elderly gentleman, and he's real nice, and he's really knowledgeable about growing your own food and gardening and everything. And it was an honor to go down there and to help Papa Prevo with the garden and stuff, and just giving back to the community. This was my first time working in a garden, as far as volunteering, and I enjoyed it. And again, like I said, he knows, Papa Prevo, he really knows this gardening. He's very knowledgeable about his gardening. But again, guys, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I hope you enjoyed this video of us volunteering. Peace.
Hey, it was a rough thing, Little tiller bouncing all over the place, but God provided a way. This is some stables over not too far from here. They rent stalls for horses, and they had a tractor. So they guy come out. They till this up for me. No charge, free. Okay. And then with that I could take my tiller and refine it. Of course, since then we know we don't till anymore. Because what they call no dig, no till, just work from the top. Because if you look at nature, you'll never see nobody out there in the forest tilling up nothing. Look at those trees over there.
Yep.
Okay? That's true.
They're doing just fine. Ain't nobody fertilizing them, not man. Nobody tilling them, nobody watering them. God takes care of that. So you see what we like putting on this cardboard, putting that wood chips on top of it. It'll break down. The cardboard is there to stuff out the grass, keep it from growing. And it'll all turn back to dirt, just like we are going to do. Turn back to dirt. From ashes to ashes, dust to dust. That's where we're going, right from where we're going.
Good old kale.
Oh my gosh, that's good.
That is good.
I used to be able to stand over it. Wow. Oh my gosh.
That's their Jamaican type of plant.
What do you use it with? Like,
you can stir fry it and put in soup, stuff like that.
Nice.
Veggie. But the thing with callaloo, you see, this is a seed part. You let this dry out, the wind blow it, it'll be all over the place. Okay, I didn't plant this in here. And I'm not trying to destroy every bit I find because it just, it grows. Yeah. But tastes good, when you cook it. It's like these, so that the seeds was probably in the compost, These tomatoes still there. grow up from the root. You know, there's no fresh ones on there. They grow up and then they flower out. But when the spears come up, you just break them off at the bottom there, and then they stimulate them to produce more.
Oh, wow.
But they're so good, so full of water. Ain't nothing like a real. See, 'cause I didn't eat asparagus.